This is the second solution to problem 24 from the 2021 AMC12A. So in this solution, we incorporate different variables instead. O1 being the center for the big semicircle, and O2 being the center for the smaller circle. And these are all things that we have made clear in the previous solution, except with different variables. We already know this is true. But now we can stray off to a different path. We realize that this triangle O1, P, and O2 is a right triangle. So we can solve for the length O1, P. This is the square root of O1, O2 squared. O1, O2 squared, minus O2P squared. And O1P, we know that's 5, and we solve for this O2P, and we get that. That is, and this total thing is going to be 4. O1P, this length is 4. That's the bottom. And since we know that O1, O2 has a length of 5, this is 4, and it's a right triangle, well, O1, O2P, that triangle, is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. So that is pretty important because O2P is 3. Should write it clearer, but O2P is 3. So we can now incorporate another variable x into this equation, where, let's see here, if we just take one of these variables, or just say we want to find the length O1x for x on this plane. This is 13/8. And why is it 13/8? Well, we can say that we can make a ratio of the length of P01 to the length of M01 is, well, this is 4 we just shown, and this is 13/2 from the previous solution. So 4 over 13/2 is 8 over 13. So you take the reciprocal of that for O1x and then multiply it by O1, O2, which we found was 5. So this is 5, and this results in 65 over 8. So we have this length. Now, this is the same thing when you do m times x. This is 13/8 times, well, now it's O2P, which we shown was 3. So this is 39 over 8. These are very important things. So now we can create another ratio. Px, the length Px over the other length O1x. This is going to be evidently 1 minus O1P over, this is just dividing by O1x. So we know that this length is 65 over 8, and we know that this length, O1P, is 4 because we solved for it earlier here. This is going to be 1 minus 32 over 65. So this whole thing is just evaluating to 1 minus 32 over 65, or 33 over 65. And we erase this. So now that we have this, we can finally denote an equation for the base. The base is going to be 33 over 65, and then you're going to be multiplying it by a ratio of O1m, because this is the thing you found here. So to get our base length, O1M is, well, that is 13 over 2, as we have shown earlier. So this is 13 over 2. And then 33 times 13 over 2 gets us to a length of 33 over 10. So similarly, we can show again that the area is 1/2 times 33 over 10 times 3 root 3. And then we get the same equation for the area, 99 root 3 over 20, and sum 99 plus 3 plus 20 gives us our answer of 122 again. That's the correct answer.